Here we go. Oh lordy. I haven't done this in a long time. Hey everyone, I'm back. I am back. I don't have a fancy setup for videos because I'm not a fancy YouTuber. We're gonna do a little chit chat, get ready with me. Let's talk about life, all that fun stuff. I normally don't get ready that much anymore, but we're gonna do it today. So, oh lordy, that almost went right in my eyeball. I'm in my workroom, in my studio at my house. This is where I work to do facials. I do full body waxing, and lash extensions is my newest service, and makeup. I'll do makeup here too for like bridal trials and stuff. I've been doing lash extensions for a year now, so I'm pretty confident about sharing some of my favorites. If you guys want to see a favorites video, I can do some favorites and some not so favorites. I have definitely learned a thing or two in the last year. So we're gonna jump right in. I'm doing the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Yeah, Reese, go. No, that's red. I'll give you some when I'm done, okay? No, that one's too dry. I'll get you one when I'm... The reason I'm wearing contacts today is because these were sent to me a long time ago by, I want to say Paradise. I've made a video on their contacts before, but I've never worn these ones, and they're purple. So say hi. Hi. This is Reese. How old are you, Reese? 3. 3. She'll be 4 in December, huh?
On my birthday.
On her birthday. Okay. Okay, so next I'm gonna do the Tarte. This is the Found Sealer. I don't do my makeup that much anymore, but I figure why not take it back to my roots and do some makeup videos for you guys, because it's been so long since I've done that. I kind of like to just rub my foundation in first and then go in with my beauty blender and blend it out or buff it out, because I don't like my beauty blender absorbing all of the product. I think this is too light for me. I got really dark the last few weeks out on the water. So let's talk, you guys. We bought a house in October. It'll be 2 years. Michael and I are getting married. So I'm gonna be Mrs. Heartless in a year. We're getting married July 22nd. 2023. We chose the summer because where we live, it rains most of the year, or it's cloudy and overcast. Like even today it's cloudy and overcast, and it's August. Wedding planning has been really chill so far because we have a whole year to go. I've got my bridesmaids chosen already. I have 9. I didn't think I had that many friends, but I guess to my surprise I do. My sister Katrina is baking my cake. She does cakes for parties and stuff, and she does such an amazing job. Her Instagram name is Sweet Rolls because her last name is Rolls. It's R-O-L-E-S, and I thought that was such a cute name for her business. Next, I'm taking my MAC Prep and Prime highlighter. This one's Light Boost. So this is just going to help brighten up my under eyes because I need it. I should have put concealer on first, but I forgot. Like I said, I don't really put makeup on that much anymore. I don't really have time to with my 3-year-old, and Riley's 9 now. She's gonna be 10 in November. Isn't that insane? So I am gonna go in with a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape. This is the ultra creamy one. I honestly didn't know that they even had a creamy one, but this is the one that I grabbed. I guess it's good for dry skin like me. You know what? I'm gonna go over that highlight with a little bit of concealer. Let's talk wedding planning. I have the photographer chosen already. It's not the same photographer who did my engagement photos. I do love her work, but I wanted to go with this specific photographer because she's from Florida, and it's a long story, but we've known her over the internet for years now from a job my mom did. They kind of formed a relationship. Sorry, I keep checking to make sure my camera didn't stop filming because sometimes it does that. They formed a relationship, and then we became friends, and she's a little older than me. She's Michael's age. I think she's 31. Her name's Kirsten Stevenson, and she is amazing. I mean, the girl who did my photography, our photos for our engagement shoot, Chelsea, she's really good too. They have completely different styles, but like I said, my mom and I really wanted to meet Kirsten. She lives literally on the other side of the country. She lives in Florida, so that's why we're going with her. We've really been wanting to meet her, and my mom was like, you should have Kirsten do your photos. Like, that'd be so cool to meet her. We're really excited. Chelsea did our engagement shoot, which I loved those photos. She's more dark and moody, and Kirsten is more like light and airy, which is like kind of what I'm going for my wedding photos anyway. We're doing like a boho theme wedding, and I'm really excited. Taking the Laura Mercier setting powder and just going under my eyes so that it doesn't crease as badly. No. I think this had black makeup on it prior. Yep, it did. So now I have black dark under eyes. That's great. That is fantastic. I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and then the NARS blush in Sin. Add some warmth to my face. My face looks so washed out because of the lighting. I really hope it's not too bad. So yeah, I have the photographer and the florist already, and those are the two main things that I really care about. I ordered my dress on a Zazie. It was $400, so it wasn't that bad at all for a wedding dress. So I'll be getting that this month sometime. The Shape Tape Glow Wand, that's going underneath my powder highlight. I'm gonna put that here and here. Whew. This stuff is beautiful. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous! Remember when Riley was little, she was playing around with makeup and she's like, do you want to be gorgeous? So I always think about that now every time I do my makeup. She was probably about Reese's age. I think she was about 3. Look at that! Look at that glow. This is the Ofra highlight in Rodeo Drive. This is amazing. This is going to be blinding. Social media, I have not even been posting too much on social media because for my mental health, it just has not been good. I'll still post some stuff on my story, but I don't really spend a whole lot of time on social media like I used to. It's just toxic. This is seriously my favorite highlight, my favorite highlighter. I want to try the Jaclyn Hill ones, but this bitch is broke. So what kinds of videos do you guys want to see? I don't. I was gonna do Ruby Woo today for lips, but I haven't done Ruby Woo in a long time, but I think I'm just gonna keep it natural because I have to go out and run errands and I don't want to look all crazy. So next I'm doing brows. This is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. I used to work for Benefit a while ago when I lived in San Diego. I want to move back to San Diego one day. It's so expensive down there. That's why we moved. I'm originally from LA area. Well, I was born in Orange County. I was born in Laguna Beach. We lived in San Clemente. I don't remember the situation. I think my mom's doctor or something, oh shoot, was in Laguna when I was like coming. Then we moved a lot in the LA area. We just moved around a lot. I can never do my right eyebrow good enough. I use like 3 different things for my brows. Oops, I'm gonna use the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint in Stud. I'm gonna use the pen side of it to make little hairs. It's good enough, I guess. I'm using my Naked 2 palette, and I'm like breaking every makeup rule and using a really freaking old palette. Because this thing is old, you guys. Like, you saw the video of me using it when I first got it. I'm gonna start school again soon. I wanted to go to school for nursing so that I can administer Botox and injectables, but the more I'm waiting for them to get back to me, because I had to do an application online, I feel like the more that I'm waiting, the more I'm like questioning what I want to do with my life. I'm a licensed esthetician. I've been an esthetician since 2017. I'm licensed in California and Washington. I was licensed in Oregon when we moved because we lived in Vancouver when we came to Washington at first, and I worked in Portland. I worked at Lunchbox Wax, and I worked at the Lunchbox Wax in San Diego, and then we moved to Vancouver, Washington. So then I transferred to the Portland location, but I was pregnant, so I wasn't there for very long. I did not renew my Oregon license because I thought, you know, I'm never gonna live in Oregon again. But like I said, I don't want to be an esthetician forever. I'll always renew my licenses just in case I want a new career. I don't want to do this forever. I always like a popping inner corner. My favorite inner corner highlight is the metallic pixie dust. It's the Magnificent Metals from Stila. I'm obsessed with this. Oh, I'm putting it on really weird with a weird brush, but I'm just working with what I have right now because I don't know where I put all my stuff. I love it. I just use it dry. I don't know if they're still like this, but remember how these used to come with like a little liquid, a clear little like mixing medium situation that you would mix with it and it would make it like even more intense. I don't do that, and it's seriously, look at that. It's like amazing. Yeah. Also, we have a dog. She's a Rottie. Her name's Raven and she'll be 3 in September.
Yay, me?
Well, yeah, but you're gonna be 4 soon.
On my birthday?
Yeah.
Raven turning new?
I'm not the biggest fan of that brush for this at all. This look is not coming out how I want it at all. I actually kind of like my makeup today. It's actually coming out kind of cute.
Yay! I'll be 4 on my birthday.
Yep, you'll be 4 on your birthday. Okay, I'm gonna use the Natasha Denona palette to kind of just fix my eyeshadow because I'm not the biggest fan of it.
Hi.
Hi. A highlight to my brow bone. Just a nice soft highlight. For lashes, I don't know what I'm gonna do for lashes. So I'll probably do these. I don't even know what lashes these are. Curly Queen by Allure. I don't even know if these are the ones that are supposed to be in there. I'm gonna line my eyes with, line them with like an eyeshadow, a dark eyeshadow.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too, my baby. Oh, thanks. So do you. You're so beautiful. Oh, shoot. I forgot to put mascara. Damn it. Do that really, 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 really fast. Really fast. My favorite mascara is the Caution in Extreme mascara from Hourglass. Well, it's my current favorite. Oh my god, this one's like clumpy now. It's like old. Okay. I will do my bottom lashes later. This mascara is extremely wet. My lash glue is ready like pretty much instantly. Okay. There we go. Last but not least, we're gonna do lips. I don't know, I kind of do feel like doing Ruby Woo today. I think I'm gonna do Ruby Woo. This is the Lancome lip primer. Oh, and you know what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a white or like nude colored eyeliner and line my waterline with it so my eyes can really pop. I love a doe eye. Sorry, I'm literally all over the place today. Before I do my lips, I'm doing my waterline. This is the NYX lip liner pencil in Hot Red. Bam. Wow. I'm obsessed with Ruby Woo. I forgot how much I loved it. I'm using the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Veil Mist. I love you so much. It's so light, it doesn't even feel like it's going on your face. Okay, so that's it. I literally always feel like I can't film a video because I'm so busy with my kids and stuff. I hope you enjoyed.
Bye.
yeah, and if you have any requests, let me know. I'm gonna probably do like a whole bunch of different things, like some lash videos, my lash setup soon, workroom tour, maybe some like mom videos, maybe some vlogs. I know you guys used to like my vlogs, so does anybody even still watch my videos? Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.